Have you ever wondered how anxiety affects more than just your mental state, but influences your very genes? In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, anxiety has become a constant companion for many. It's an emotion that is often misunderstood, a signal that alerts us to the need for change. Anxiety, in its various forms, affects millions worldwide. It's a pervasive phenomenon, influencing not just our thoughts and emotions, but our physical well-being, social interactions, and overall quality of life. It's not just a fleeting feeling of unease, but a profound condition that can shape our lives in unexpected ways. Yet, recent scientific insights suggest that anxiety might be even more complex than we initially thought. It's not just a psychological condition, but a biological one as well, affecting us right down to our very genes. It sets the stage for an intriguing discussion on epigenetics and its role in anxiety. As it turns out, anxiety may be more deeply rooted in us than we ever thought possible. Epigenetics, a term that might sound complex but is simply the study of changes in organisms caused by modification of gene expression. Imagine our DNA as an elaborate cookbook. Each recipe or gene contains the instructions to make a specific dish, or in our case, a specific trait or behavior. Now, epigenetics is like a set of invisible hands that can tweak these recipes. It doesn't change the ingredients or the steps, but it might underline an instruction or put a sticky note on a page. These marks don't alter the DNA sequence itself, but they dictate how the cells read the genes. In essence, epigenetics is about understanding these marks and modifications that control gene expression and how they influence our traits and behaviors. So it's not solely about the genes we inherit, but how our lifestyle and environment can subtly change the way our genes work. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with anxiety? Imagine if your anxiety wasn't just an emotion, but a signal from your genes, alerting you to potential changes in your environment. Epigenetics, the study of how our behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way our genes work, plays a significant role in anxiety. It's like a two-way street. Our genes can influence how we respond to stress, and our response to stress can influence our genes. Two studies highlight the intricate dance between epigenetics and anxiety. One study showed that individuals with a certain genetic variation were more susceptible to anxiety when exposed to stressful situations. Another study found that individuals who practiced mindfulness reduced their anxiety levels, and this reduction was linked to changes in gene expression. These studies suggest that anxiety is more than just an emotion. It's a feedback mechanism, providing us with valuable insights about our surroundings and our internal genetic environment. But what if we could change this? What if we could alter our anxiety levels by understanding and influencing our epigenetics? Two groundbreaking studies have shown that by understanding epigenetics, we might be able to control our anxiety levels. The first study, conducted by a team of international researchers, revealed that individuals who better understood their genetic makeup were able to substantially reduce their anxiety levels by making lifestyle changes. They adjusted their diet, sleep patterns, and exercise routines, and in doing so, they were able to rewrite their genetic story. The second study, led by a group of neuroscientists, discovered that mindfulness practices can also alter our genetic expression. By practicing mindfulness, individuals were able to lower their anxiety levels and live a more balanced life. These studies underscore the empowering reality that we are not simply victims of our genes. Our anxiety is not just a feeling, it is a signal from our genes, a call for change. So next time you feel anxious, remember, it's not just an emotion, it's a message from your genes, and you have the power to change it. That's all for this video. Please help support our channel growth by subscribing, sharing, and clicking the bell icon to ensure you don't miss any of our new content. Take care.